I just feel like I'm cheating on Starbucks every time I get coffee bean. Had half a bowl of Panda E.
Oh my god.
Zip you zip we zip. I put my hand upon your hip. I zip you zip we zip. Yeah, fuck. We're at LAX now, and my favorite airport, not to leave from, but to come home to. That's our plane. We'll see how much recording I actually get done today. Yeah, so I just sat down on the plane, and yeah, maybe we'll just edit for this flight. Oh my gosh. I'm here in Austin, and it's super hot. Stuck in a parking garage. See how this Uber ride is, and then we'll get to the hotel, get checked in. All right. There it is. Good, because I'm starving. Appreciate it. Just give me a little hug. Hey, what's going on?
How's it going? Okay.
More hugs. Let me check in and meet up with you guys. All right, yeah. Swanky hotel I'm in. Ooh, I got a window here. Let's see. Check this out. Let's head to the room. That's how you know it's a good one. So far, so good. And the reveal. Claiming the bed closest to the window. I think we're this way, right? Oh my gosh. What time is it even? 5:40? It's 5:40 a.m. We're walking over to load in. Starbucks doesn't open till 6. So let's go back this way. That looks promising. So we don't know where the dock is. Over here. All our guys are up here already. Oh yeah. Joyous Wonders. Hey buddy.
Oh, you got one.
Yeah. Hey, what's going on, Louie?
Good seeing you, brother.
Yeah, man. Hey, how's it going? How's it going, buddy?
How are you?
Good. All right, bro.
How you doing? Because one motherfucker was stupid and put his hand over it.
So what are we doing today, Brian?
Let's just do that. I got a shit ton of Sharpies and tag your name on it. It'd be dope. Ooh, Jack Links. Love me some Jack Links. Like here-ish.
Is it right here?
Yeah, utilize the wheels. Don't break your back. Where is the diagram that I'm looking for that has speakers? Oh my gosh, why is this not loading?
Nothing back there.
Yeah, nothing.
Although what I'm doing is I'm gonna
Ground support right here?
I'm gonna do some delays on the side.
You just want to do a stack right here and a stack over here
Yeah.
in to get this.
Yeah, just to kind of catch it.
Okay. So We're less than 2 hours in. We're at a good spot. We're finally gonna go get coffee.
Yeah.
Yay, coffee. There we go. So simple.
I just tell you about those shoes. I spent hours looking for them, got sick of doing it.
You just looked it up right online. That the exact same one that you were looking for?
Yes. To me, that is it. Like, that's the
I know you should be holding. Yes, yes, I am filming.
No.
No.
You're not.
You're not doing work, man?
I don't, yeah, I don't have it.
Okay, you want me to find you open signals?
Yeah, yeah. If you want to do that, that'd be great.
Daisy chained from one
Yes.
to the other? They are? Okay. In trouble with it doing this.
All right. Well, that's good.
It's good.
That's good to know. It's been a fun day, huh?
The chafe is real, I tell you.
Oh. Feels good. Thank you. No, that doesn't feel good.
You were a little bit more open-minded than good for one of us.
Malta, you got some splaining to do. Yeah, I thought we were gonna do an angled out on these, on the truss.
I think those the other.
Yeah, and then we still have the ground support right there to cover that middle section. Yeah, that's right. I think, yeah, you're right.
I think we'll cover good.
Yeah, our coverage is golden.
Give me a crash course real quick.
Oh, no.
Start going
What's
through
happening here?
stuff and labeling.
This is doing no business up here. Yeah, man, you guys don't have to worry about this. You guys can take your 15 right now. That's fine. We're not pushed on time for this right now for a sound check.
We'll take a break and then we'll come back and finish it.
Yeah.
That's why Mike wants to go there.
I don't think it's open. So how's it going in there, Cassidy? Hey, let's all hop on a scooter.
All on one scooter.
This way we can get selfies shot.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
See,
it's so fucking hot out.
Or sometime we
Okay, I don't know if we can record in here, so. What you got here, Tone?
Trying to straighten out.
Here, in order for this to close. We're done, right?
Almost ready to go on. Well, we can do it. I'll do just these fronts. Yeah, go up and talk on the mic up there. The podium mic.
Pretty much everything, I believe.
Check. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Yep. Check 1, 2. 1, 2. That doesn't affect anything from you, right? What are you now? You in these main hangs? Hey, Tone. Tone. Tone look. I think I'm actually done wandering, talking. I think we're more or less dialed in as much as we just tie up our speakers.
I'm gonna give y'all all blowjobs.
That's the best favor
I know.
I never asked for.
I never.
Homeboy said we got fresh batteries and everything right now. I suggest let them burn, dude.
Yeah. Oh, you mean just turn them on?
Yeah, turn them on.
Reserve our frequencies?
Why? What are you doing, dude? Don't be getting into there. Fucking with shit.
Yeah, I'm about to. I'm setting Ava lights up real quick.
Okay. Okay, cool. Well.
Everything seems pretty straight backwards. Okay, so does that make all sense to you?
Yeah, totally.
I just listened on all of them. You can listen if you
So we're doing all kinds of fun stuff here. Okay. So we're using the QU32. We are definitely maxed out on outputs here. We have pretty much the room. And we're using these group outs for this special thing we have going on tomorrow. Over there's our main stage, right? And then we have these two separate stages, rear of the room. And instead of speakers set up to each individual feed, we've got in-ear monitor systems for the crowd. And basically they're just gonna be able to switch in between stage 1, 2, and 3. So how we have that set up here in the group outs using our stereo. Is we have stage 1 being sent out. Left is going to our radio feed to the crowd, and right is going to our monitor system. So we have a headphone system for the person speaking on stage, so they're not talking to a crowd with headphones on. And we have that set up for each one. Relatively simple. It should be fun. Day 2, show day. I haven't got coffee yet, so please bear with me. It's day 2. I did no filming yesterday because it was boring. How's it going, Mr. Gerhardt?
Good, man. How are you?
Good.
So speaking of audio and everything.
Yeah. I'm your Venus.
I'm your fire,
Your desire. Hey. Fun little setup you got.
Back in high school, bitches would laugh at me. Now they hitting me up, saying what's up. Do you remember me? I'm trying to fuck. Nah, I don't fuck with you. With the struggle hard, gotta hustle harder. Put me in the game, I'm the fucking starter. I'm the man in my city like Peter Parker. My only role model to my mom and father. I'ma pay their bills, stack that bread. So much damn shit going on in my head. Used to think that'd be better up there. Then I realized every day is a blessing.
It's all over. We're done. We're done. We're done.
Power down. Video of it going down.
Yeah, time lapse. Tell me that's a wrap.
Malta, get in the middle. It's okay. Y'all gotta touch Malta. Everybody touch Malta. Everybody touch Malta. Come on. Everybody touch Malta. Tickle JC. All right, everybody tickle JC. Go! What's the button?
Hi. Look at the view. Before I don't get crushed out here. Cool guy. Yeah.
Baby knuckle.
Poor guy. Come on, come on.
Attack his mouth.
I'm blaming Panda Express. All right. And that's it. That's all she wrote.